Okay, I have washed my hands. I'm getting my pot and stuff ready. That's that. So I can do this. I'm gonna do some brown rice. It's gonna be a chicken stir fry with chicken thigh, boneless, skinless chicken thigh, and I'm gonna have some broccoli. So and with onions in there. Y'all can't really see all of me. Cause this thing don't want to let me be great, babe. See my boneless, skinless chicken thighs and some fresh broccoli. Cut all this up. Get my seasoning, salt and pepper and garlic powder. I brought some pots and skillets out the house to bring a little bit bigger something in here than what I be having that's off in here this time. But we out here. I done been to Amarillo, Texas, and now I'm up in here finna cook something good. I didn't bring my olive oil, so I'm gonna use a little of this cooking spray in my skillet. So I'm gonna spray this ready. So when I get ready to put the chicken in there. I'm gonna cut up my broccoli first. I believe I'm gonna do that first. Put it in one of these little bowls. So it'll be ready to kind of toss around. So when I get ready to put it on this skillet, do some of this broccoli. I shouldn't even bought all of it. I'll do all of this broccoli for the night. So I'm gonna go and broccoli, little onions, you know. Well, unfortunately, I can't get the stove top and my head. When I have it on where I can see what's going on here too, you know. I love me some onions, everything, so I'm gonna chop these up, make do what it do there. Stir fry, y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Or Marshall, they have several different ones that's for different food, so you don't be cross-contaminating them, honey. I'm gonna set that to the side, get our chicken ready, start cutting it up into some pieces. I got this boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm at a rest stop cooking dinner in this RV, honey. Yes, honey. What you say? Big. And girl is hungry because it's kind of late. So I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna put a little bit of more of another one on here and then put the other half back in the bag. This over there, out the way. see it ain't much prep space up in here. And then I forgot to fill my water tank. I don't want to use my water up too bad. Paper towel. Y'all hear my little puppy playing? He lost his ball somewhere. I don't know where it is. Somewhere it rolled in here. I haven't found it. And he see me finna get busy and think he gonna be a part of the truth, I guess. No. Ooh, that fire lit up. Y'all see it? It lit up fast. Right? Uh-oh, I ain't hold it long enough though. The air conditioning blowing my fire down too fast. Right, get our rice over here so it'll be out of my way. Like this other eye, so I can get ready to start my chicken cooking. Start this cooking. I'm gonna season it off in this skillet. A little garlic powder. I'm gonna put a little garlic powder, a little black pepper. Yeah, turn this fan on. I can't be having nothing going out. I hope y'all can hear me. A little salt, a little salt for seasoning. For the seasoning, then I'll put a little bit more seasoning for the veggies once I put those on the skillet too. Just a minute. Woo, your girl been feeling bad these last couple of weeks after falling at home. It's so sad and depressing just being at home. Nobody calling, checking on me. Really, my kids do some, and then an aunt and one coworker did, but some of the people that I've been knowing a really, really long time, they didn't do nothing. Nobody stopped by to bring me nothing to eat or see if I was okay, if I was able to move around again yet. Nobody. So, your girl been down, so no, I'm not chipper and happy-go-lucky. I just had to get out the house to go find me something to do today. That's why I got out here and came down here to just go find me something to do, go somewhere for a brief moment and take pictures and video and just enjoy myself outside the house. I'm tired of this door. So, but I did want to share cooking with you all in this RV. Yeah, I'm pulling my shirt down. Don't be saying nothing now. Don't be saying nothing. Y'all just seen me wash my hands. But I'm stirring my little chicken up a little bit so it can be cooking on each side. So it ain't just cooking in one spot. I need to try to move this faucet out the way so y'all can see. Okay, there we go. I just don't want to drip of water everywhere. Turn my water pump off. But, okay. Got this chicken going, honey. Sure it's smelling good already. I don't want nobody be trying to knock on my door. But they smell this food, Well, can't be having no knocking on the door, y'all. So we over here in this rest stop. Might be somebody hungry. Oh, and I brought my teriyaki sauce. That be making making that stir fry good, y'all. Alright, we're gonna pause for a moment. My chicken gonna be ready for this rice ready. Should start this rice on for my chicken, I guess. Actually. The chicken. Yeah, I tried out my reusable ice cubes today. They hung on pretty good for me. Take most of them out. I need to put some more ice in here. I'm trying to keep my water. I just might want to clear that, man. Y'all see what sister got to do? Try to get these cubes out. Some more that's frozen, but these ain't frozen no more. Wash them. I'll wash these dishes. Ooh, these is nice and frozen. I'm gonna poke some in here. I bought them in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna wash them. I always bring me a jug of water that I get, or water bottles, one or two, sometimes both. Been drinking a lot of water today, but I've had other things to drink today too, but mostly trying to drink this water. Y'all might see Samson trying to jump in the background. Hey, ladies, see it. Around this chicken, and then once it get good, then I'm gonna turn it off until my rice is ready. You better get somewhere and sit down and go play with your toys. You can go over there playing now.